Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video. So I'm here with a Samsung Galaxy A17 5G Android phone, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to change the call display while using apps. Okay, so it's real simple to do. Just go ahead and follow the steps that I'm about to show. So simply open up the dialer, then select the 3 pins in the top right hand corner, then select settings, and then scroll down to where it says call display while using apps. Go ahead and select it, and now we are inside the call display while using apps options. Okay, so first of all, I'm just going to explain what the call display while using apps is all about. So it's a setting that lets you choose how incoming calls appear on your phone when you're using another app, with options usually including a full screen display, a smaller pop-up, or a mini pop-up. And this prevents an incoming call from completely interrupting what you're doing, giving you control over how the call notification is displayed. Okay, so you'll notice that there's 3 different options here. So there's full screen, small pop-up, and mini pop-up. And if you look closely, you can see the mini pop-up, it's very small. The small pop-up is a bit larger than the mini pop-up. And then we have the full screen, which is the largest. So just simply choose the one that you want to use. Okay, so when you select the full screen pop-up, down here, you will see keep calls in pop-up. After calls are answered, keep them in pop-up. But when you try to turn it on, when it's in the full screen option, it won't turn on. As you can see, it's grayed out. So you will have to either choose small pop-up. As you can see now, you can turn it on. Or choose mini pop-up. Okay, but to actually set it to work in full screen, just go back to full screen, and as you can see, it's still on. However, you can't turn it back off. But if you select small pop-up or mini pop-up, you can turn it back off. But when it's in full screen, you can't turn it on. But the way around it to turn it on in full screen is just choose mini pop-up, then turn it on, and then go back to full screen. And as you can see, it's still on. So yeah, this was just my quick video showing you how to change the call display while using apps on the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G Android phone. Hope this video helped you out. If it did do, you already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next one. Deuces.